this is the diagram of the picture or the internal part of the tooth. Here you can see how many layers are there. From the outermost is the enamel. Here this is the outermost is enamel, then inner to it is dentine, and the central part, this one part is made, that is called pulp, and it is the softest part. And here is the substance that is called cementin, which help to fix the tooth in gum. So this is the internal structure of the tooth. So now have you understood? Yes, now have you understood? And I ask you to stop your video, but you people are not listening. Anyway, so if any other who want to know, means who want to clear the doubt regarding this chapter like SM Waqir, yes, you want to ask something? SM Waqir? Yes? Hmm?
Then what is plaque?
Plaque is actually a layer of germs uh, which is formed on the surface of the tooth. A yellow color layer of germs which is formed on the surface of the tooth because of the, what you can say, uncleanliness when you are not clean your teeth properly. So this layer, yellow layer, is formed on the tooth, and that is called plaque, from which the bad smell is also comes. So that's why we should keep our teeth clean. We should brush 2 times at least in a day, and after every meal we should rinse our mouth so that this plaque should not be formed, because this looks dirty as well and it's not good for the tooth as well. It gives bad smell as well. So we should keep our teeth clean. Anything else, Abdullah Hassan? Yes, you want to know something? Hassan, Abdullah Hassan, sorry, Abdullah Hassan, you want to ask something?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when we will discuss question answer,
Yes. What?
when we will discuss question answer.
Yes, we can, but few people are asking some doubts regarding the chapter, so that's why I was just clearing those doubts. Now let's start exercise, which they are on the page number 28. So let's start objective type question answers. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. You just raise your hand.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have done exercise also.
You have done exercises, but most of them must not have done. Yes.
Okay.
How many of you done exercises? Raise your hand. How many of you done exercises? That's very good. So still, I'll just what you can say, ask the question and if people raise the hand. So in this way, you just match your answers. So just now we start discussing the exercises quickly. The first one, there are blank teeth and permanent set of teeth. Raise your hand. Yes, Ibrahim. How many teeth are there in the permanent set of teeth? Ibrahim. Hibza, yes. Hifza. Wait a minute. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, Abdullah Hassan, tell me how much, how many? There are 32 teeth in a permanent set of teeth. The next one, in flesh-eating animals, which one are the bigger and sharper for tearing flesh? Incisor or canine? Yes, Habib Asif. Yes, Habiba. Afan Usman.
Ma'am, what?
Second blank. In flesh-eating animals, bigger and sharper teeth for the tearing flesh are incisor or canine?
Ma'am, incisor.
Hmm?
Incisor.
Your voice is not clear. Canines. Canines. Now the next one. The blank forms the central part of the tooth. Which is the central part of the tooth? Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am,
Pulp. Yes, pulp is the central part of the tooth. Now the next one. The blank produces juice that help in digestion of food. Wood pipe or liver? Just raise your hand. Afan Usman. Afan Usman.
ma'am, food pipe.
Hmm?
Food pipe.
Wood pipe produces juices.
Sorry. Liver.
Liver. No juice is secreted by the food pipe. No digestion occur in food pipe. Food pipe is just a passage to transfer the food from mouth to the stomach. Liver produces the juice which helpful in digestion of fats. Now the next one, blank cause disease like common cold and influenza. Bacteria or virus? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, me. Virus.
Hmm? Yes?
Bacteria.
Voice is not clear. Yes, Abu Bakr, you tell me. Abu Bakr? Yes, you tell me. Bacteria causes common cold and influenza. Huh? Virus. Very good. Now the next exercise, write T for the true and F for the false statement, and here it's not written correct the false statement, but I won't means correct the if it is false one. So the yes, the true and false means write true for the T for the true and F for the false, but you correct the false statement also if sometime any statement is false. So the crown hold the teeth in their place. Is it wrong or right? Yes, raise your hand. Only 3 4 hand. Why always? Abdullah Hassan. Abdullah Hassan. Okay, tell me. All answer you will only give. Rest all will be listening only. Yes, tell me yes. Okay, tell Abdullah Hassan. Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. The crown hold the teeth in their place. It's true. The crown hold the teeth in their place. Crown hold the teeth. Is it correct? tooth, you know, the upper portion which is visible is crown, the lower portion it is root, and where it is there, which portion hold the tooth? Who will tell? Yes, Hifza Harun. Hifza Harun. Yes, where the tooth is embedded, which part hold the teeth? Hmm? It's wrong. It's false. And in place of crown, you have to write gum. Gum. The gum hold the teeth in their place. Got it? First one is false. First one is false, and the correction is that in place of crown you have to write gum. Now the next one is we should keep our teeth clean. Yes, we should keep our teeth clean. Is it correct or false? Yes, Hifza Harun. Yes, Hifza Harun. Okay. Yes, Hifza Harun. Hajra, tell me. Just tell me. True, yes. Yes, that's true. We should keep our teeth clean. Yes, it's sunnah also. Okay. Now, the third one, the esophagus hold food that cannot be digested and absorb water from it. Is it correct or false? Yes? False. I ask you, everyone, stop your video. Okay. So this SM Bakir, SM Bakir, you tell me how to correct this third one. It's false, yes, but how to correct it? Where is the correction in this sentence? I asked from SM Bakir. Yes. Juwairiya Ismail. Tell me. Yes. Large intestine. The correction is large intestine. Large intestine hold food that cannot be digested and absorb water from it. That's here in place of esophagus you have to write large intestine. Yes. Now the next one is microbes cannot be seen with the naked eye. Just raise your hand. Okay, one at a time. One at a time. Yes. True. Yes. Yes. Now the next is when you people all are started speaking together. That's why I'm muted. One at a time only. Juwairiya Ismail, tell me only microbes like viruses and bacteria can cause disease. So only virus or bacteria can cause disease, fungi, protozoa cannot. Hmm? It's false, yes. It's false, yes. Now the next, choose the correct option. Which of these teeth are 12 in number in a permanent set and help in grinding food? Raise your hand. Listen, if you will speak like this continuously, I will mute all and you cannot then unmute it yourself. But if you will just raise your hand, I will give you chance. So yes, Abdullah san, tell me. Hmm? Not? Okay, that is only I'm saying you don't speak like this. Raise your hand. I'll give you chance. So okay, this SM Bakir, you tell me this is the first one. Bakir is not giving any response. Hifza, you tell me. Hifza also. Everyone will speak. Everyone will speak like this. Hmm. Now Hifza, you were telling. Yes, tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me. Hmm. That's good. If it like this, you people give answer, that will seems very good. Otherwise, it will be very disturbing, and no one will able to get anything from the class. So, just raise your hand. When I ask you, unmute yourself and give the answer. If everyone will speak at the same time, then it will be very difficult to manage the class. It will be the wastage of time. Maintain the rules in class, so the class will be very good. Anyway, the next one is, which of these are used for cutting and biting food? Hajra Amin. Yes, Hajra. Yes. So the food, the teeth which are helpful in cutting and biting are incisor. Now the next one, which part of the tooth contain nerves and blood vessels? Abdullah Hassan. Yes. Abdullah Hassan. Third one, which part of the tooth contain nerves and blood vessels? Dentine. No. Yes. Habiba Asif. Hmm. Pulp. What is pulp? Pulp is the central part, which is the softest part of the tooth, and it's actually the nerves and the blood vessels. Nerves are the thread-like structure which carry the messages, and the blood vessels it carry the blood. So this is the pulp. Answer is pulp, and that actually contains nerves and the blood vessel, and it's the central part. Now the next, which of these hold the teeth in place? Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr. Yes, I asked. Abu Bakr. Yes. Abdullah Hassan. Yeah. When we will? We'll discuss after the exercises. You don't want to discuss these exercises? So first we complete the exercises. Inshallah, we'll discuss question answers also. Anyway, so we are on the fourth part. Which of these hold the teeth in place? Abu Bakr, I ask you. Yes, Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr not responded. Habiba Asif. Habiba Asif. Hmm. Tell me the answer of fourth. Hmm. Gums. Very good. Now the fifth one. Where are feces formed? Feces. Afan Usman. Where are feces formed? Where are feces formed? Feces are formed. So what is feces? What is feces? Who will tell? Juvaria smile. What is feces? What is feces? What is feces? Hifza, tell me what is feces? What is feces? No. Asma Parveen, what is feces? What is feces? Yes, tell me. Feces is the waste substance. Feces is a waste substance which is formed after the digestion of the food. Means the part of the food which is undigested, which is removed from the through the anus. That semi-solid waste is called feces. The semi-solid waste which is removed from the anus, that is called feces. That is actually the undigested part of the food that cannot be digested further. So that's actually the waste that is the waste material, waste product. So here is the question regarding the feces only, and the question is where are feces formed? So where the feces are formed? No, anus is the opening through which it is excreted out, which is through which it is removed. It's large intestine, because in small intestine, when the food is completely digested, useful nutrients are goes to the blood, and the harm that whatever the undigested food which is harmful for the body, if it will be left in the body, that is moved to the large intestine. So in the large intestine, answer is large intestine. Now where does digestion begin? Afan Usman. Afan Usman. Where does digestion begin? Yeah. Yes, digestion starts in the mouth. Now the next one, what do microbes do? Here are the four options, out of which one is the correct? Ibrahim, yes, you Ibrahim. Yes, Ibrahim. What do microbes do? What do microbes do? Change milk into curd, help in making bread, help in process of rotting of dead plant and animal. Which one is the function of the microbe? Yes, Ibrahim. Hajra. Hajra. All of these, yes. Yes, very good. All of these. Because microbe can convert milk into curd, and it also help in making bread, and it also help in rotting the dead plant and animals. And the next now, which of these diseases caused by bacteria? Raise your hand. Juveria smile. Juveria smile. Hmm. Which of these diseases is caused by bacteria? Eighth one. Answer of eighth. Which one is the correct? Yes, typhoid and cholera. Now let's move to the next exercise, that is very short answer type questions. And here is a part in that. Give one word for the following. Now the first one, the set of teeth in a child. The set of teeth in a child. Raise your hand. Yes, SM Bakhir. SM Bakhir. Yeah. Yes. Set of teeth in a child. What the name given to that set? Yes. What the name given to that set?